All right, sorry. My wife was calling me, and we have to pick up the phone when it's the wife. So when we're looking at different approaches to textual analysis, there is also qualitative approaches, and again, there what you're looking at is the extent to which uh, repetition of certain kinds of words can have an impact. I got to spend one summer. I jokingly say that one of the coldest summers I spent was in the University of South Carolina's law school library, working on one of their. I can't even remember what the name of it is, but I was printing up all the amicus curiae briefs related to. I can't remember which one it was. It was one of the big Supreme Court decisions from the late '80s. I want to say it was the Webster decision, but I'm not sure. But I got a research assistantship to help her do that. So we were printing it all up, and then she wanted to code certain specific words, and that we were thereby looking, both on the pro side and the anti side of the amicus briefs, and it was it, again, I think it's one of those things where, yes, I think there's significance to repetition. I also think there are limits to how effective that kind of approach is in I mean it's counting words effectively. I mean, and I'm a little dubious of the profundity of that kind of analysis. So, in any event, again, I think we've got a lot of interesting stuff to talk about this week. Again, as always, if you have anything that's confusing you, the best way to do it, best way to approach it, is to ask me a question, because the only way I will know whether you're having difficulty understanding something is if you ask me questions. And so, again, I hope we have a great week. I'll be posting a video probably on the final paper, which again is going to be a group paper on, uh, how political science has contributed to our understanding of COVID, and what does political science have to say about COVID. And I hope I hope I can give you enough guidance to make that a worthwhile project. So let's have a great week. Again, I'm just going to confess I am on hydrocodone. I am exhausted, alternatively exhausted and irritated. Every time I take one of these hydrocodones, I break out in a rash. So I'm itching. The pain's not bad, so I'm still dealing with the surgical soreness, but I'm not dealing with the kind of pain that I was dealing with for month after month previously. So anyway, let's have a great week talking about textual analysis.